Alright guys, so this is my interview with the mining rig I found in Nigeria. Don't joke with this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Alright, so let me give you the full gist of the matter. After the blockchain weekend in Abuja, one of my friend who knew I was in town reached out and took me out since I was in the city. And so after then he mentioned that he wanted me to take me to the rig he spoke to me about. I didn't believe it because I said there can't be a rig in Nigeria and so forth and so forth. I said it was only in China and USA, all those. But he took me and we got to the facility and here we go.
Hi guys, my name is Isaac and I'm the privileged face behind CryptoMall, and I have something for you this afternoon or whichever time zone you are streaming from. When I heard this, I was really shocked. Like, I had to come and see for myself, and I'm here. Like, we just concluded our Abuja blockchain weekend and it was an awesome one. So I used the opportunity to step into this facility, and the next thing you are seeing will amaze you. All right guys, let's go. Good afternoon, Mr. Andy. How are you doing? Very fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so can we just meet you? Let's just meet you.
Okay, my name is Andy Arunse, popularly known as Alpha in Abuja. I'm the CEO, co-founder, Alpha Tech Hub Integrated Services. We are a multifaceted company. We deal with Web3 platforms, crypto development, and currently moving with the trends Web5 currently. So we are into both crypto development, mining of BTC cryptocurrency or whatever sorts, and the likes.
All right, so I heard something before coming here. I just want you to tell me it's a lie, then I leave.
Okay.
There's a mining rig in Nigeria.
Oh, not just, of course, there's a mining rig. In fact, we've been mining now for over 2-3 years now, and we've been operating comfortably. I would say comfortably because we have all the stability. Okay, not necessarily all the stability, but as a firm, we're trying our best to make sure it's as stable and profitable for everybody. I mean, it sounds very funny and cliche to a lot of people. The first thing that comes to anybody's mind, they hear there's a mining rig or you can mine in Nigeria, the first thing you see is that's impossible, it takes too much electricity and all of that. People don't know, if you check it, most of the people saying these things are people that don't really know or has never given it a try. They don't even know how to go about it. So what we do is we help those that are enthusiasts that want to go into mining generally per se. We advise depending on what you are looking at, and we help you set up the infrastructure of what you want, and we also house these mining machines also in our rigs that we have across the state.
All right, so I'm seeing something very interesting here.
Okay, yes. So all right, let me just tell you what this is. So this is an L3 plus. This is a mining machine.
Okay.
This is an async. An ant miner. This is an async. An async simply is just an application specific integrated chip. They are designed for a specific purpose, and this is particularly designed for mining bitcoins alone. Yes. So we have like lots of these machines. There are different models. Right now, what you are looking at is the L3 plus. We have the S17, we have the S19 Pro, which is like the recent one, and then we have the Hydra of it. The cooling of that machine is done with water, so you have like a water radiator attached to the mining machine.
Okay, now with all your explanation,
Yes.
so layman, does it mean if I have this,
Yes.
I can mine Bitcoin?
Of course, this is what you need to mine Bitcoin.
Wow.
The first step in mining Bitcoin is owning one of these machines.
Okay.
The next thing is having a reliable pool to connect to. So you have a good mining pool, because currently we don't have enough infrastructure to do solo mining in Nigeria, where you individually look for a block and mine. So what we do is we have these mining machines connected to our rigs, connected to our mining pool, and we give a share of our hash power to the pool to do their solo mining, and then we get rewarded for the power, the terahash of power our machines are contributing to them, which is very profitable.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so in a nutshell, if I take this now
Yes.
to my apartment, I can't mine
Now,
because I don't have the necessary.
Okay, so some of the things you need to know when getting this is there are some factors you need to consider when setting up a mining rig. One of those things, or the top notch you need to consider is the cooling.
Okay.
You need adequate cooling for your machine. That's one. Two, your regular house is not wired to take in a certain level of power these machines might draw. So for instance, now if you have like 2-3 of these or 4 of these machines, you can't just plug it in your house, because
like
maybe
socket.
exactly you can't just do that, because if you do that you might be strained. You don't know the kind of wiring system that has been done in that house, so you might just end up burning up the fuse or something just because the power is taken is too much. You understand? So you need to factor in if you have adequate cooling. You can see they have 2 intakes here. This is the intake for cool air. That's why you see the gauze here protecting it. And this is the exhaust where the hot air goes out. Now, these machines can be loud when they are mining because of the speed of the fan, trying to cool and take out the hot air. So you also need to factor in sound. So are you soundproofing where you are putting it? Is it going to be cool enough to keep them running smoothly without any issues? And is the wiring of the place adequate? Then one of the things that is also important, and if you don't have this, mining might be challenging for you, is adequate electricity. Exactly. So for most of our clients that buy this machine and end up leaving it in our rigs for us to run for them, and they just pay maintenance fee, is because we have solved that challenge of electricity. We have a massive rig that has over 2,000 megawatts of power that runs our machines. We have them distributed. Okay, so you can have them running whether anywhere you are in the world, and you get them. They are being configured with your BTC address. So whatever is mined is being paid straight into your BTC address directly from the machine. So your pool just gets the worker serial and pays straight into your machine.
No, so now if I get one of these,
yes.
How do you say?
Yes.
If I get one of these,
yes.
How am I sure that when it gets to your rig,
yes,
it doesn't get mixed up with the other?
Okay, so we configure these machines with users' unique identity. So one of those unique stuff is your BTC address. We might have this shelved in our rig, but we have every log and every document to always track this. Okay, we have like I said, we are not just a Bitcoin setup company. We also build softwares and all of that. So we've come up with an algorithm also, and also an interface that if you have to mount this with us, you can see you have access to an interface to see when your machine is up, when it's down, if there's maintenance going on, you'll be notified and all of that. So it's pretty much covered, like for users.
Wow. This is amazing. Now,
yes.
You were saying something the other time about how in the matter of 1 year you
yes. So the machines work standard for 4 years. So for these 4 years that it works for you, you get a deposit. So how they work is according to the mining pool, the machines has to work a 30-day cycle. So that 30-day cycle is online cycle. So the amount of hours that the machines have been online, that is equivalent to the 30-day cycle, you get your deposit, your profitability deposit. So whatever amount you mine for that month, you get. There's a specific projections, and we'll go into that a little bit later for these machines, right? So you get that deposited into your wallet. So you have 36 deposits for the period of 3 years. So for each deposit simply just represents a month. So you get that deposit for that month, the next month cumulatively. So for instance, now let me just give you a quick instance. You get this machine. Okay, now this machine now goes for $1 million now. Now, and you make roughly $170 from it every month. Every month, $170. So if we are to do like a quick calculation now, and let me do that quick now. So 170 for the month, right? You multiply it by 12, you have $2,040, right? For that month. So if you have to multiply it with our current exchange rate, which is around 720, let's just say 720, you have 1.4 million. Wow. So you've made back your 1 million naira you've used to buy the machine, and you have 468,000 naira on top of it already. And don't forget that this runs for 4 years. So let's say give or take about in your first 3 years, 36 deposits that you are assured of. In like let's say 8 to 9 deposits, you've made back the money you invested in buying this machine, and then the rest is just pure profit accruing. So at the 4th year, maintenance is more, machines have overworked their themselves. So you might be spending more maintaining the machines and all of that. So you might now have like a 50% drop in your profitability. So at that stage now, instead of getting like 170, maybe you end up getting like $90 or $80 at the end of the month from the
Now
machines.
your $170 calculation,
Yes.
is it based on
The hash power. On the hash power.
Okay, on the hash power.
The hash power the machines are contributing to the network, the blockchain network. Yes. So that profitability tends to change depending on the profitability chart of that blockchain generally drops out. So there's this mining chart that we use to calculate difficulty for the month or for the quarter, profitability range that you look at according to the specific power you contribute to the network. So these things are some of the factors that ties around the profitability of your machines.
Wow, this is purely awesome. Mr. Anzi, thank you very much for your time. We hope to get to see your rig sometime.
Yeah,
Alright, guys, so that's the full interview I had with them in their head office. You can hear the explanations for yourself. We could not get to the rig because that day it was late already. But the next day he took me there, and which I'll be posting the video next up on this platform. If you are new on Crypto More, please do well to click the subscribe button and also like, comment, and share to friends so that I can benefit them. Now, if you are still confused, this is it. There are two things in the crypto world. Is either you are mining the coin or you are buying the coin. Yeah, it's either you are mining or you are buying the coin. Now, we have been okay. Let me speak for myself. I personally, I have been buying coins and not mining coins. Do you understand? Now, how more profitable can it be to be generating the coins for yourself? How much more profitable can it be? Do you understand it? No, you probably will always be on profit, no matter how, like, there's even though there's a dip, but you'll be on profit because you manufactured the coin, like you mined it. Do you understand? That's because, as a matter of fact, this is where I am kind of tending to now, both for the altcoins and the BTC. Now, I struck a deal with Alphatech company, and each of these machine costs 1 million naira each. 1 million naira each is an expensive machine now, and you can see the calculation it made for you. You have recouped your money in 1 year. Now, I know some people might not be able to buy one. You can pair up to get one machine. Two of you, three of you can pair up to get one machine. And this is the most interesting part. I struck an affiliate deal with the Alpha Tech, and if you are going through crypto mode, you'll be getting one machine for 950,000 naira. If you are going through crypto mode, you'll be getting each machine for 950,000 naira. So if you are interested in this, just let me know in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. My number is still the same: 08071919214, 08071919214, and the link is also in the description box. Click the link and then you reach out to me. And probably before you do that, you might need to satisfy your curiosity by waiting to see the next video I will be dropping when I went to the rig, so that you can see the rig for yourself and how things are being run there, guys. It is so amazing. It's so amazing. So this is it. Just stay put, subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, ask your questions also. Please, my DM, like I say, my DM is not for questions. Comment section is for questions. I take your comment with maximum priority. So comment below if you have any questions, and if you are interested, that's when you should come to my DM on WhatsApp. Right. Thank you. I'll be posting the next video shortly, so stick around.